As Kerala heads to polls on April 6th and election campaigns will take place in full swing, here's a SWOT analysis of the three fronts in the state. The United Democratic Front. Strengths. Oomen Chandy, Ramesh Chennithala and Mullapalli Ramachandran have kept aside their differences and have come together to dislodge the Pinarayi-led LDF government. If Congress leader Rahul Gandhi campaigns extensively in Kerala, UDF will have an edge in these elections. A tour by Rahul with his sister Priyanka Gandhi would help UDF swing votes in its favour. The re-entry of Indian Union Muslim League National General Secretary P.K. Kunhalikutty into state politics has strengthened the UDF. Bringing back popular leader Oomen Chandy to head the campaign panel has given a boost to Congress workers, increasing their chances of a win in the state. Weaknesses. Selection of candidates along the A and I group affiliations of the Indian National Congress and the rebellion that follows could affect UDF's vote bank. Joseph K. Mani joining LDF is expected to slice away a portion of UDF's traditional vote base in central Kerala. After IUML opposed 10% quota for economically weaker sections among forward castes, there has been an unrest between the Muslim and Christian communities, two major vote banks of the UDF. The church fears that UDF's return will mean Muslims occupying prominent roles with IUML, cornering key portfolios including education, where the church has stakes. It has also aired its concerns of love jihad and is unhappy with IUML leader's statement hailing the reconversion of Istanbul's Hagia Sophia into a mosque. Opportunities. Mani C. Kappan from NCP, JSS led by A.N. Rajan Babu and JDS led by General Secretary George Thomas, and their entry into the UDF has given it momentum. The government's failure to settle the strike by PSC rank holders and the row over backdoor appointments and nepotism have worked well for the UDF. The deep-sea fishing deal signed by the government with US-based EMCC has helped gain UDF support of fishermen. The gold smuggling and life mission scam can help UDF drive home its charges that the LDF government is not clean. Threats. The biggest threat faced by the UDF, especially Congress, is the candidate selection. The party has to be very careful in selecting candidates. The Pinarayi government's move to distribute free food kits, which benefited 88 lakh families, is cited as a major factor in helping LDF register a win in the local body polls. To counter this, the UDF has promised to introduce the Nyay scheme, wherein poor families will receive Rs 6,000 per month. If UDF retains VK Ibrahim Kunju in Kalamassery, LDF will use it to attack the front during the campaign, citing the Pallrivotam flyover scam. The old guards in Congress, including KC Joseph, PJ Kurian and PC Chako, still want to contest the elections, blocking way for young and new faces. This could also be a possible threat for the UDF. The Left Democratic Front. Strengths. Current Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has a unified leadership in front and the party with no factional feuds. LDF's major developmental and infrastructure initiatives, in addition to welfare measures like free food kits, may work in their favor. Entry of ex-UDF allies Kerala Congress M led by Joseph K. Mani and LJD will be a big boost for the LDF in the upcoming elections. The general pro-left wave in the local body elections may still be the mood in Kerala, helping LDF get more votes this assembly election. Weaknesses. The failure to effectively counter campaigns around the two recent controversies may not work in favor of the LDF. Achyutanandan, the biggest crowd puller and the most popular campaigner of LDF in the last 3 assembly elections, is keeping away this time. Opportunities. Kerala's poll surveys, as well as a strong public sentiment about the left getting continuity in office, might translate to more votes for them. Early seat sharing within the front without major disputes with young and better candidates may bring big wins to the LDF. LDF will also be making inroads into the Christian vote base this time in central Travancore with Joseph K. Mani's entry. Threats. Mani switching allegiance to UDF can prove costly for the LDF in central Travancore. Possible positive response from various communities after withdrawal of cases related to Sabrimala and anti-CA protests may threaten the LDF's chances to win. The two major controversies that cropped up in the final lap of regularizing temporary staff and the deep sea fishing deal may also hurt their votes. LDF may have to pay the price for a strong opposition from NSS and anti-left sentiment among certain sections post failure to sort out the orthodox Jacobite issue. Strengths. A dedicated cadre and grassroots level election work involving RSS men may benefit them. They have a huge funding for campaigning as they have the central government's firm backing. Their strategy involves gaining the confidence of various church groups through PM level talks. New entrants. They have managed to rope in Jacob Thomas, E. Sridharan and other prominent personalities with them. Weaknesses. Factional feud in state unit may be a weak point as it often needs the national leadership's intervention. BJP State VP Shobha Surendran and her supporters are yet to be taken into confidence. There is opposition within the party itself towards K. Surendran's style of functioning, which may be a backlash for them. There are very limited seats in the state where BJP can win on its own. Opportunities. They have ample prospects of mobilizing a large chunk of anti-LDF votes to its advantage. They can also gain confidence of Christian voters by taking a strident stance against love jihad. They can play a crucial role in deciding winner in at least 15 seats. They also have a chance to increase vote share considerably in several parts of Kerala. Threats. Rising fuel and cooking gas prices may hamper parties' chances of winning. The large-scale consolidation of minority votes may cost the third front. Alienating secular votes by excessively whipping up Hindutva may not translate to enough votes this assembly election. So will Kerala, which is known to alternate between LDF and UDF, bring a surprise? Will BJP strengthen its position? For more election related updates, stay tuned to TNI videos.